Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you love crochet fashion and are always looking for fresh and stylish handmade ideas, then today video is perfect for you. In this video we are going to explore some of the most latest crochet top and blouse design ideas that are beautiful, trendy and perfect for creating a unique handmade wardrobe. Crochet tops have become a popular fashion choice because they combine creativity, comfort, and elegance. Whether you prefer a simple everyday look or something more eye catching for a special occasion, there are so many crochet designs to choose from. Let's start with a beautiful modern crochet top featuring a delicate open work pattern. The lightweight design gives the top a soft and elegant appearance while keeping it comfortable and breathable. This style can be paired with jeans, trousers, skirt, or even layered over a simple inner top for a fashionable look. Another gorgeous idea is a colorful crochet blouse made with multiple shades of yarn. Combining soft pink, cream, green, lavender, or mustard tone can create a beautiful statement piece. You can experiment with different color combination to make your design completely unique. For those who prefer a more elegant style, a solid color crochet blouse is a wonderful option. A cream, white, beige, black, or pastel color blouse can look special and timeless. Adding small floral motif, textures, stitches, or delicate border can make a simple design look much more luxurious. If you love fashion, crochet flower detail are another beautiful trend. To try small crochet flower can be added around the neckline, sleeves, or bottom border. You can even create three-dimensional flower to give the blouse a more creative and eye-catching appearance. Short sleeves crochet top are perfect for casual summer outfit. Long sleeve design can be styled beautiful during cooler weather. You can also experiment with puff sleeves, bell sleeves, or slightly oversized sleeves to create different fashionable look. Another interesting idea is a crochet cropped blouse. This design can be paired with high-waisted jeans, wide leg pant, or a long skirt. The best thing about crochet fashion is that you can customize almost every detail. You can choose your favorite yarn, color, stitch pattern, sleeve style, neckline and length. This means you can create a blouse that perfectly match your personal style. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And if you enjoyed this beautiful crochet fashion ideas, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell for more amazing crochet design ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.